Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play GTA from the Rockstar Launcher. First, make sure the Rockstar Games Launcher is installed on your computer. You'll need to log in with your Rockstar Games Social Club account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your game library within the launcher. This is where all your Rockstar titles, including Grand Theft Auto, will be displayed and accessible. It's a straightforward process to get started. If Grand Theft Auto isn't already installed, simply click the Install button and follow the on-screen instructions. The launcher will then begin downloading all the required game files to your system. It's crucial to let this process complete entirely. Once installed, the launcher will automatically check for and apply any available updates, ensuring you have the latest version for the best experience. After installation and updates are complete, you'll see a prominent play button next to the Grand Theft Auto title in your library. Click this button to launch the game. The Rockstar Games Launcher acts as the gateway, starting the game application directly. This ensures all necessary background processes are correctly initiated, allowing you to dive into the world of GTA seamlessly and without hassle. If you encounter any issues, first verify your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can sometimes prevent the launcher from authenticating or downloading updates. If problems persist, try restarting the Rockstar Games Launcher completely. For persistent launch failures, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements. These simple steps often resolve most common playing difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.